Welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is by Prithvi H. The question is, how do I get a minimum of 10 questions correct in the QA section? So let's look at a general strategy for getting 10 questions correct. Suppose there are 24 questions in the paper on section. I spend around 15 seconds per question just for selection. So 24 questions, 15 seconds per question will take you 6 minutes to select the right question. I'm not telling you to select in the start. You can select as and when you solve. That is a different question. But I'm saying 15 seconds per question, you will take 6 minutes for reading all the questions. Reading time across the question paper. Okay. Maybe let's say 4 or 5 minutes extra where you have picked up a wrong question, tried it out and you left out. So there are 2-3 questions you have picked up wrong and gone wrong and left it. You still have 30 minutes approximately to solve. And you want 10 questions correct. So 3 minutes per question. So can't you get a question right in 3 minutes? You can. Okay, technically, but normally what happens, we end up wasting a lot of time somewhere here and there. So instead of 4 minutes we go 9 minutes, so we may have 2.5 minutes. Okay, now once you understand this whole process of solving, now let's try to understand where the whole strategy is not fitting in. The first problem a lot of people face and they don't attain this target is that they waste a lot of time in selection of questions. So normally I said 6 minutes you can select the right questions, read order. But what people do, and it's a mistake, is they try to solve each question to decide. They don't read and leave it. They read, try to solve it, and after they try to solve it, then they leave it. So the moment you try to solve it, it will take you 1 minute to leave the question. Because trying to solve takes time. And that, gives you less time to solve what you can. It's the first mistake people do. Trying too much time on every question, and that doesn't give them enough time to solve the question they can. Second, wrong selection of question. As I said, 2 or 3 wrong selections is fine. But moment a number of wrong selections and you waste a lot of time on wrong selections. I've analyzed my students' paper and I've seen there are a lot of questions where people spend 3 to 4 minutes on a question and left it. Okay, that means you've already wasted 10-12 minutes of your time on questions that you have not solved. Wrong. You realize it's wrong, learn to leave it fast. Okay, there's no harm in selecting wrong questions. 3-4 wrong selection of question fast. Learn to leave it so that you don't waste more than 5 minutes on the wrong questions or the questions that you're not able to solve. Try reducing that time. That's second mistake. Third mistake, people spend more time on solving individual questions. Normally for any econ question, 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes is more than enough to solve a question. But unfortunately, there are a lot of students who take more than 3 minutes or 4 minutes. If you're normally taking a time more than 2.5 minutes on a question, your methods are faulty. Go back and see if you can solve in a lesser time. Try to use a better method, try to find a better method and try to apply it. That will help you to reduce the time you take to solve questions and hopefully solve more questions. So broad area, I have just identified 3 of the areas where you can look at where the problem lies, take corrective actions, and that should hopefully help you to solve 10 questions in the exam. Hope that helps. Thank you.